Welcome to our channel. If the EveryPlate app won't load or you're experiencing login errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Open your device settings and go to the Apps or Application Manager section. Locate the EveryPlate app and tap on it to access app settings. Step 2. Select Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary files. If the app still won't load, also tap Clear Data. Step 3. Stop the EveryPlate app from your settings, then completely close it by swiping it away from your recent apps menu. Step 4. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or testing another app. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Step 5. Visit your app store and search for EveryPlate. Check if there's an update available and install it to ensure you're running the latest version. Step 6. If you're having login errors specifically, verify your username and password are correct. Try logging in through the EveryPlate website to confirm your credentials work. Step 7. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it. Check your email for the password reset link. If the app still won't load after these steps, uninstall and reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then sign in again with your correct credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.